Hello everyone, I am Sapna Jha, founder of HapGen Educational Services Private Limited. I founded this company in the year 2017 and got it incorporated in the year 2019 under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and now the company is already recognized as the Startup India ecosystem and also under the Government of UP initiative. So we are already featured in at various places too and have been awarded from the various platforms. The motto, learn success-driven rather than marks-driven, HapGen Education is a one-stop extensive educational company for K-12 school and college learners across the globe that provides unique blend of quality learning, success mindset development, and personalized career strategy in a scalable and measurable way. With a vision to create the world's most learner-centric seamless platform where learners can learn, excel, and get success on the go, I founded MyTutorsOnline, and also I have started an accelerator program called Skillacy, about which I would be explaining here. But before that, let me explain something about the soft skills. When two persons having the same qualification come for an interview for the same position, it really becomes difficult for an HR to select the candidate. So now they are selecting the candidates based on the criteria of soft skills. Let me also share a report. In fact, in LinkedIn's Global Talent Trends 2019 report, 92% of talent professionals reported that soft skills are equally or more important to hire for than the hard skills. And 89% said that when a new hire doesn't work out, it is because they lack the critical soft skills. So you can understand about the importance of soft skills. Also, I would like to share about the workforce confidence index. But here I would like to ask you a question. When the students are getting very nice education and also they are having a great qualifications with them, then why the confidence level is getting lower and lower, and now people are not able to improve their financial situation and it is getting decreased and remaining low. You can see India is having -9. So now with a vision to help these people, I have launched the 3-month Career and Success Skills Accelerator program. The name of this program is Skillacy. If you really want to have a successful career in your life, if you really want to achieve your life goals, then this is the time for you to enroll to this 3-month Career and Success Skills Accelerator program. Let me share who is this program for. This is for the college freshers, recent graduates, and persons with career gaps who are looking for upskilling, reskilling for their successful career, and they are really having a dream in their life to get achieved. Let me also explain what will happen in this accelerator program. Overall, the program is of 3 months. It is distributed in 3 modules. And also there will be job opportunities where the students will be getting access to jobs. So the module 1 consists of self-discovery and career navigation. Here the candidates would be able to develop their career where whatever career outcome they are looking into, they would be able to explore the career opportunities and develop a career plan for themselves. In the module 2, there would be career readiness, where we will help the candidates to get the best practices for resumes, cover letters, networking, interview, and personal branding, along with professionalism. Now, professionalism is really required in the corporate world. We will also help to search the jobs. We'll provide a strategy for how to search the job. Then there is module 3. That is the most important part here. We will be providing skills and certification for the soft skills, as I already said that soft skills is really important in future work. So you will be getting skills on goal setting, focus, no procrastination, resilience, confidence, critical thinking, decision making, team collaboration, leadership. And if you really want to enter the workforce having these skills, then this is the program for you. Do not try to miss the opportunity to get enrolled in Skillacy 3 months Career and Success Skills Accelerator program. So Come join this program and get your life successful, get your career successful, achieve your dreams right now. For those who want to market this Skillacy Accelerator program, I have a great earning potential for them. But before I share about the earning potential, let me share a few testimonials from the students who have already enrolled to this program and achieved their dreams. Here are. So here we have Mansi Gupta and Shivani Goyal from GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. They both are already placed at various companies, and Mansi Gupta at Vachusa, Shivani Goyal at Paytm. Designations you can see here: full stack developer and business development executive. So let us see what they are telling.
So I met my mentor with Sapna Jha in my second year of my college. So my mentor had helped me a lot in improving my communication skills and helped me in focusing on my studies and making the consistency on my studies. So mentor interaction was very much useful for me as through online mode the mentor interaction was done, and through online also I had made very much improvement in my concentration skills, communication skills with the help of my mentor, Ms. Sapna Jha.
Let me actually share with you what Shivani says.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Goyal and I am a student of GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. Currently pursuing my BTech from the IT branch. A mentor is someone who educates, instructs, inspires to another person through their past experience. I am very grateful to have a success-minded coach like her in my life. Skillacy is really helpful for the students who want training, guidance for their study and career goals. For me, having a mentor like ma'am is 10 on a scale of 1 to 10. I am happy to choose Skillacy, who helped me to enhance my skills 3x faster, which trained me how to become motivated towards my goals. I recommend everyone to join it and become a part of it. Thank you.
So you can see already the students are getting their dreams, fulfilled. So what are you waiting for? This is the right time for you to join this accelerator program and get your dreams fulfilled. So now, as I said, that I would be sharing about the earning potential for those students who want to market Skillacy Accelerator program. So here is something for them. Let me share about that. One batch is going to consist of only 15 students so that they can get the personalized attention for their personal careers. So here, if you enroll 5 students, you will be getting 1,000 rupees per conversion, that is 5,000 rupees. When you enroll the student number 6 to 10, you will be getting 3,000 per conversion. When you enroll student number 11 to 15, you will be getting 3,000 per conversion. So overall, you're going to get 30,000 for a single batch of 15 students. And the remarkable thing is, you are going to get yourself enrolled free. You will be getting certifications free. You will be learning entire course free. So you will be adding on the success of your skills with the career portfolio of yours, and this will really help you to enter the industry, enter the workforce area being skilled already. So what are you waiting for? Join and market the Skillacy Accelerator program as much as you can.